Hello people, so today we'll be solving LeetCode daily question, that is 881 votes to save people, and in this we'll be given an array people where people are as the weight of the ith person and an infinite number of votes where each vote can carry a maximum weight of limit and each vote can carry at most two people at the same time provided the sum of the weight of those people is at most limit. Okay, and we have to return the minimum number of votes to carry a given person, and this seems like a very easy question, like any other question. Okay, and it's an easy one too. For example, in this we are given a people array of 1 2 and we are having a limit of 3, so we can, what we can do, we can just need one vote, and it is given that a vote can carry maximum of at most two people once. So what we can do, we can just do shift 1 and 2 together and the minimum number of votes required will be 1. Okay, so this is just a simple algorithm, and for this let's just sort the people array according to their weights. Sort people, and let's have two pointers that are left equal to 0 and my right will be at the end of the people array, that is equal to people dot length minus 1. And now my while left is less than or equal to right, what I have to basically check is that if my people left plus people right is less than or equal to the number of is less than or equal to limit, what I can do is okay, let's have a boats variable also, and boats required that are initially 0. Okay, and boats plus plus in this case we'll be incrementing the number of boats and we'll be increasing the left pointer as well as the right pointer. Okay, and in this, oh sorry, decrementing the right pointer. Else what we have to do, that means that the the weights of the people are increasing, so what we have to just do, we have to increment the boats and we have to just decrement the right pointer. We don't have to shift the left pointer, and at the end we'll just return the number of boats. Okay, so just this way. Now let's run it, and it gets accepted. Now let's submit it, and works perfectly fine. Okay, so this was it for today. Thank you for watching.